Hi, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you the basic chords in the key of G major. Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to How to Play Guitar for Absolute Beginners. And if this is your first time here, thanks for joining us. So in this lesson we're going to look at the basic chords of G major. So first of all, what is a key? Well, a key is a set of chords that are grouped together. Now we've looked at these chords before, so check the link in the description to find those lessons. And so why does this help you? Well, knowing the chords in a key will allow you to work out songs for yourself. So you don't need to go to a website and find out the chords. You can try and do it yourself. And the great thing about this is it will really improve your ear training. So let's look at the chords, and we're going to look at them in an ascending pattern. So we'll start with chord 1, which is G, chord 2, which is A minor, chord 3, B minor, chord 4, C, chord 5, D, and chord 6, E minor. So knowing those chords, there are many songs you could play. For example, Elvis's his latest Flame, the Eagles' Lying Eyes, and one of my favourites, Pink Floyd's Wish You Were Here. Check the links in the description for lessons for those particular chords, and let me know which is your favourite song to play in the key of G. Until the next lesson, thanks a lot, bye bye.